Welcome to DIY Dose.
Before you think who hijacked this girl's channel, hi, I'm Tora. You're welcome again to DIY Dose, and today I have with me
Uzo Ukebu.
So you guys know that I recently moved to the UK, and I'm really trying to find a wardrobe, a workable wardrobe. But I'm also limited. I have a budget of just about £200. So let's see what we can get, how we can make a capsule wardrobe with £200.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't exceed it.
We're on the hunt for basics.
Yeah, I feel like proper jeans, like good quality jeans.
Yeah.
That it's an investment.
Yeah.
But it's so necessary in your wardrobe.
Very necessary.
Yes.
Now we're going to And Other Stories because we want to find a white t-shirt for you. Yeah, that's the store, And Other Stories.
So in case you guys are wondering how to actually build the wardrobe, head on over to Uzo's channel to find out the science behind this shopping. How much? £15.
How? Ask them what they think. Guys, do you think £15 is too much to spend on a white t-shirt? Like, yes or no? Leave a comment below and tell us why. So my budget for us is, you can get £5, but you would, in like 3 months, you'll probably be buying another t-shirt. But if you get a t-shirt like this, you probably will change it every year. So tired.
Like, I didn't realize how stressful shopping is.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like my legs are going to break. enjoyed shopping with us.
Please let us know your favorite piece.
Yes, let's know
Yeah.
your favorite piece.
Yeah,
as
and if you
well.
would style it differently, how would you style it?
Yes. So like, subscribe.
Bye.